Hello, hello, hello! This is your Thai finish pero pusong Pinay. Magandang umaga mga Zay. Di ara ang inyong Inday Karya. Lalarga ako, pupunta ako sa store kay naubusan kami ng kape. Parang kanina ko pang gustong uminom ng mainit ba mga Zay ba? Latte. Lisod sa maglatte nang walang kape yung latte. Yung susi ko parang naiwan ko dito sa sasakyan. Kaya wala doon yung susi ko. Pak, Inday Karya. Kumusta kayo ang all? Ayos ba ang all? Handali lang ha. Ay, madumi yung aking screen. Okay na yung aking screen mga Zay. Diara. Inday Karya. Thank you Lord. Sa pagbabalik po ng aking YouTube channel, ang dami talagang speculations ba? Kaya daw ako na hakay. Tungo daw yung nahack po ako. Hindi po ako ni-report. Wala pong nag-report sa akin. Huwag niyo pong ibintang sa ibang tao na wala pong kinalaman. May nag-report, dahil daw ipapalabas yung kwento ng buhay ko. Kaya mayroon daw mga nag-ano sa akin. Wala pong ganon. Honest to goodness, nahack po ako and alam ko po anong nangyari. Bakit po ako na-hack? Yun po ang katotohanan. So please refrain po na ibintang natin sa mga taong walang kinalaman, in all fairness po para sa kanila. And also, hindi po dahil may copyright issues ako. There is no violations at all sa channel ko. Ayan ipapakita ko sa inyo na wala po akong restrictions, wala po akong violation sa channel ko. Purely na-hack po. Ang pag-hack po ay hindi lang po ibig sabihin na may nag-report sa'yo. Actually, hindi man hack yung na-report ka. Yung pagka-hack po ay hindi lang po ibig sabihin dahil sa password mo. No, it's not like that. They don't even need your password para i-hack ka po. So, what really happened is that yun din ang inano ko kay YouTube and explain. I was filling up a form for a brand collaboration. It was from Shure Media and then the product was Shure, mga microphones po siya. Of course, vlogger as we are looking for some extra income, no? Rarakit pa rin tayo. So, I already contacted si Bro BJ. Kilala niyo si Bro BJ, yung ating brother na before was a student and a videographer and a nurse and was an ex-professor. Anong tawag nito? Kinunta ko na si Bro BJ kasi ang nasa isip ko, ang dami ko ng brand collaborations na dinecline ever since, like for the past 5 years. Ang daming nag-i-email sa akin for brand collaborations. However, hindi ko siya pinapansin. And then yun nga, nakita ko si Steph, nag-usap kami, and then tumatanggap siya ng brand collaboration. So sabi ko, ayoko kasing patulan yung mga ganyan kasi baka scam. And then sabi niya, ipiliin mo, i-filter mo kasi sila, natatanggap nila yung product nila for brand collaboration, ganito, ganyan. So, as in, talagang sinabi ko talaga sa kanya na hindi ko pinapansin yung mga ganyan kasi feeling ko scam yung mga ganyan eh. So, eto na nga. So, then I go through my emails. Ang dami ko talagang request. Ang mga siguro 4 yung nireplyan ko. I even contact Bro BJ kasi gusto ko na pag may brand collaboration ako na trabaho, I want to make it a high quality. Hindi po ako basta-basta lang na magbi-video lang ako. Sabi ko kasi itong ginagawa ko, parang yung vlog ko, I do it myself. Ako ang nagbi-video and then tinanong ko si Robert if kaya niya. Sabi niya parang wala daw kasi siyang talent sa mga ganon, yung ideas kung anong gagawin. So it will end up na baka magtalo lang kami. So I said, kukontakin ko si Bro BJ para kami ang parang work collaboration. And I even screen it na with my channel that's growing. Medyo paano ko ba sasabihin sa inyo? Medyo okay yung kikitain. And I even offered 40-60. And then sinabi ko yun kay Steph the next day na nagkita kami. Sabi ko, I offered sabi niya parang masyadong malaki. Hingin mo lang kung magkanong bayad niya. Sabi ko it's going to be a help for him kasi may pinagdadaanan din yung family na alam niyo yun, gusto kong tumulong sa kanya. So that what happens. And then, yun na nga. So, ni-response ko, finilter ko yung mga brand collaborations invites ko. And then, nag-respond ako. So, when I responded, nag-respond back yung Sure Media. So, it's a lesson learned. So, nung nag-respond si Sure Media sa akin, they sent me a link. And then, that link was to fill up a form para matanggap ko yung product. So, finilapan ko yung form because I was really thinking na it was genuine. So, finilapan ko si form with my address and my contact details and email address. Doon ako nadali sa email address. Kasi, when I fill up the email address and then when I was trying to send the form, nagkaroon siya ng glitch na hindi ko siya ma-send. So, I keep pressing yung send button. And then, that's also the time na medyo naglolo ko si Bella, mga bata. So, I get lost of my focus. So, since alam ko naman na may ginagawa ako sa cellphone ko, yung prines ko pala ng prines na sined na nagkaroon ng glitch, nag-send pala actually yun. And then here comes, sunod-sunod, nag-ask ng verification. So parang, yung verification, it's okay, it's me lang ako. Kasi yun yung verification ko, ang lalabas doon is, yes, it's me, kasi parang, you have logged into this, please verify if it's you. So nag-verify ako. Kasi alam ko may ginagawa ako. And then I lost focus, hinahabol ko si Bella. So, prines ko lang din ng prines. Doon po ako nadali. So, that's why I'm aware kung ano po ang nangyari. And then, sabi ko pa nga kay Robert, andun sila Giselle nun at si Mel. Sabi ko pa nga kay Robert at Kinshus, sabi ko, bigla ako nag-lowbat. Hindi man lang ako hindi man lang nag-warning yung phone ko. Bigla-bigla na lang na nag-lowbat. And then later on, few seconds later, nag-switch on yung phone ko. Tapos nakita ko na lang, nag-factory reset ang cellphone ko. Sabi ko, bakit ganon? And then when it opened, wala na-swipe off. So ang nangyari, na-remote swipe ang telepono ko. Everything, lahat ng applications, YouTube, Facebook, Messenger, name it, whatever, na-swipe off po, na-delete po lahat ng application ko. So, I was trying to log in and then sabi ko, kanina nag-log in naman ako, tama naman yung password ko, bakit hindi na ako makalog in? Right there and then, I suspected right away na na-hack yung aking account. And then, the main talaga nila, the main target was yung akin talagang YouTube talaga ang main target nila. And then, I tried to send it to a friend and then pina-check ko. Yun nga, nabasa ko sa Reddit that Sure Media at yung Sure product is that talagang sila. It's a scam. And then, it was a phishing email pala yung natanggap ko. It's just that I didn't have much of the security sa phone ko kasi I was confident na magiging okay ang lahat. And I know I was filling up something and then I got lost of the focus. So, verify ko lang ng verify kasi I know I was doing something, hindi ko masyadong binasa lahat. So, na-remote swipe yung phone ko and then tawag nito, ni-reset factory yung aking phone and then tinanggal yung verification ko sa telepono ko. Siyempre, hindi ko na ma-verify yun kasi na nga nila na-remote swipe na nga nila yung phone ko, na-reset na yung phone ko. I couldn't log in and then we noticed na 3 hours ago nag-change ako ng password which I didn't do. So, I suspected right away. So, I got help from our brothers and sisters sa CFC na mga IT natin. Even at midnight, talagang tinulungan po nila ako. And then, we all did our research right there and then. If this happens to you, this is a good opportunity na marinig nyo kung ano yung pinagdaanan ko sa YouTube ko. But before that, kuha muna tayo ng kape. Nakuha na ang kape mga Zay talaga. Kaya pwede na tayong magtuloy-tuloy. So, yun. Again, disclaimer lang. I don't blame it to anyone. Yung ano yung nangyari sa akin because it's supposed to be my responsibility na screen ko dapat yung yung product, because the product was so legit tinignan ko naman, pero yung link na sinend sa akin, hindi ko siya masyadong na-screen, and I didn't check about the background din po. So yun ang mali ko doon talaga, and I don't blame it to anyone, not even to myself, because ang purpose ko lang noon was to do a brand collaboration, para to have an extra income din po, and to help also doon kay Brother BJ sana, and para may kami, project kami together. And yun, tawag nito, if this ever happens to you, I'll give you some tips kung paano ko na-recover yung account ko back, kasi medyo hindi madali yung pinagdaanan natin. Nakita nyo naman, I was the whole night awake, and then talagang hanggang 8:30 po talaga ng umaga ako gising, and then yun. But thanks God, kasi the Holy Spirit was there, nandun yung calmness, nandun yung hindi talaga ako, nasad lang po talaga ako, but yung hindi ako totally so much worried, because I know na I can get it back and I can win it back. No evil can win. So yun, ayoko lang kasi, parang hindi ko lang kasi afford na hindi to i-explain sa inyo, because marami kayong speculations, blaming these people, blaming someone dahil sa story ko na ipapalabas, kaya may biniblame tayo na ibang tao. It's not that po. It's nothing connected at all. It's not the bashers even na nag-report sa akin. No violations at all ang channel ko, as earlier nakita nyo. So huwag na tayong paulit-ulit dito, kay makasapaan tayo ni Anti-Criers. So the steps, doon ko na lang sa bahay sasabihin sa inyo what are the steps that I have taken para ma-win back ko yung aking account. Break muna tayo ha, magkape muna tayo. Hindi pwedeng hindi muna tayo magkape. Anong tawag nito? Ilang araw na ako hindi nakapagkape, mga Zay. Hindi ako araw-araw talaga nagkakape. Kahapon ininom ko kahapon ng tea man ako kahapon, mga Zay. Ngayon, coffee naman. Alternate. Nami-miss ko rin kasi talaga. Pero magsunod-sunod talaga. Kailangan isang araw, maximum 2 lang talaga yung iinom ko. Kasi otherwise, magpalpitate mga Zay. Di pwede. Dera, tulog pa ang aking mag-aama. Andali, meron pa na akong call na kailangan i-attend eh. Hindi ko pa natapos yung ating tawag, itlog at kape ang binili ko, mga Zay. Dera. Makapag-coffee na talaga tami nito ni Coco Ems. Okay na ang ating kape, no? Okay na. So, i-attend ko muna itong tawag natin. Ayusin muna. Meron lang po muna din ako na inaayos na trabaho. Tapos na makapagkape, tapos na magtrabaho dyan. Ako nagtrabaho, pinatong ko dyan para magkarinigan ng maayos. So, yan. If ever it happens to you, ito yung mga tips na ibibigay ko sa inyo pag na-hack po kayo. So, the same thing as what happened to me. So, first of all, ang kontakin nyo po talaga is, if totally na-wipe off po kayo, talagang nawalan kayo ng full control sa account nyo, nawalan kayo ng access. Pero kung meron naman, meron pa kayong magagawang access, try as much as possible. So, try nyo rin po na i-recover yung account nyo. I mean, for sure, papalitan nila yung password ng inyong mga account kasi it's always connected. Your YouTube channel is always connected to the Google account kasi it's one. So, walang restriction, hindi ka malalocked off. Try as much as you can to recover your account. Kahit kung ano yung maalala mo na password, try. Walang unlimited po. Wala po siyang limit. I-enter mo yung password to let Google know or YouTube know that you were trying to log in, that you were trying to recover. So, try as much as possible as you can. Try to remember. Wala pong masama kahit ilang beses pa po kayo mag-try. Hindi po kayo malalock off doon. So, but they will receive a notification from Google or YouTube na you were trying to recover that account. So, it means that it will give them the hint, or it will give them the notification na you are really trying to recover your account. So, ang ginawa ko is, wala akong Twitter. First time ko nag-Twitter sa buong buhay ko. The first step was, I was trying to recover, and I couldn't do that. And then, meron siyang hinihingi na 8-digit code, which I didn't made. So, hindi ko na rin ma-recover yun. But, there is no wrong guess. You can guess as many as you want. Pwede mo rin gawin yon. And then first is that what really helps me is Twitter, which is now X. Nag-tweet ako doon kay YouTube at YouTube, and then I explained briefly kung ano yung nangyari sa akin, and then they will right away respond. But beware, kasi yung mga tweet mo, marami ding magre-reply sa iyo na i-mention din nila yung pangalan. Like, for example, at Robert is expert of this, and blah, 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 and it's another scam. So, only trust YouTube. So, minention ko doon at YouTube, tapos ito yung nangyari sa akin, blah, 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 and then if you could help me, they right away responded, and then there was a link for me to go through to chat with doon sa like hacking department. So yun ang naging kachat ko, and then they asked me to like do this thing. Bibigyan ka nila ng link, and then if you try, and if you still cannot recover it, then try another one. Still, if you cannot recover it, try another one, and then it will end up na bibigyan ka nila. Kasi wala na po talaga ako. I lost the full control. I lost full access. So I have nothing to do anymore. But you just need to follow. Just be patient. Follow the steps that they will give you. And you have to go through it talaga po. Talagang medyo mahaba-habang process. That's why inabot ako ng 8:30 in the morning. So, finalo ko ng finalo. And of course, with the time difference, because it was based in the US, so medyo it will take time for them to respond also. When the ticket was raised, kasi hindi ko na kahit anong gawin ko sa recovery, wala na nga ako magagawa. So, they raised the ticket, and they did an investigation, parang internal investigation within them. Then later on, they came saying na we have made our investigation, and we confirm that your account has been compromised. So they acknowledge na nahack talaga yung account ko. So that's where they have to disable my account. Kaya para dun sa mga nagtataka, nung una nakikita nila, naging NBA yung logo ko, naging NBA yung channel ko, name of my channel, and then nakikita sila na naging nag-NBA live pa nga, and later on, totally blackout, na wala na po, hindi na po ma-search yung channel ko. It was because part of the process, kailangan i-disable ni YouTube, kasi they have already confirm na nahack nga yung account natin, na hijack pa nga kasi totally sweep off yung akong telepono. So, yun, and then they made another thorough investigation, and then they will ask you informations that you have to be ready and you have to know. Like, for example, your URL address, and then there is your URL channel. Kailangan alam mo yun, ready ka nun. The good thing is that nung nasuspect ko na nahack yung account ko, when I found out na nag-change na yung logo ko, nag-change na yung channel ko, right there and there, kinuha ko yung mga URLs ko. And then you have to know your handles, you have to know your kind of AdSense billing number. As in, you have to know a lot of things about your channel. You have to secure them as early as possible, as early as now, so that when time comes na mangyari sa inyo to, wag naman sana, you come prepared, you come ready to answer the questions. Kasi pag hindi mo rin masagot si YouTube sa mga hinihingi nila na details, hindi rin nila agad-agad na mapaprocess yun. So, ayun na, the next morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, since nabigay ko sa kanila lahat ng kailangan, they have to send me a new recovery, which I can for sure 100% na marirecover ko, and to reset my password. That's where they send that to me. And yun. And then, malaking ano pa rin, mahabang proseso pa rin siya. Kasi when they have to send me that, then, of course, I have to reset my password, I have to try to log in. Okay, when I tried to log in, my YouTube channel is no longer available, and then, ano yung sinabi nila nandun sa phone ko, hi! Ang cute yung baby girl na to. Maglalakad-lakad kasi kami after this interview. Unsa daw? So, yun, they said that I am no longer in the YouTube Partner Program, that they have to take me down. Yes, anak? What is that? So, I felt sad na naman mga Zay, but I was very positive. Alam kong may babalik yun. So this is the message. And then of course you have to appeal. So when I appeal, they said that I have made violations, pero I was certain na maibabalik ko yun kasi alam ko sila nag-disable ng YouTube account ko. Sila mismo from Google, from YouTube support, dinisable nila yung aking account, and they have to do that internally. So ang nakalagay dyan is because of violations, harming anyone, something like that. Hindi ko exactly maalala yung words, but this is the one on the screen right now. So, nag-appeal ako on that decision, and then they have to send me another form that I have to fill up na parang hacking suspicion form. I have to fill it up. I have to know all the details. I have to explain what happened. So you need to briefly explain din po. And then kung ano yung mga naapektuhan sa channel mo. Let's say for example, your icon has been changed, your banner has been changed, channel name has been changed, but come ready, come prepared with the details that they need. Kasi there are details talagang, buti na lang ako. Kasi nga, hindi ko na ma-access, di ba? Buti nga, I have all the details with me ready. So, yun. And then later on, na-retrieve din nila after sending that, siguro after 2 hours or 3 hours, yun, bumalik sa akin yung channel ko, and they will send you an email na they have retrieved it, and then you just have to go through doon sa channel mo, like they have to change the name of your channel. Si YouTube na to ha, so that's why nakita nyo it was my channel yung unang nakita nyo, and then pinalitan nila yung icon, but ikaw na mismo ang magbabago nun after them. So yun, kaya doon ko na nabago, napalitan ko na ng bagong picture ko yung ating profile. Napalit na ako ng banner, and then I have to change my channel to Thai Finish pero Pusong Pinay, and then you have to go through everything in your channel na kung ano yung mga na-upload na videos ni hacker, kailangan mong i-delete lahat yon, kailangan mong tanggalin. I remember last night I had a struggle on how I should remove yung NBA live doon sa home tab kasi they were very smart. Syempre, I know na alam ng mga hacker na marirecover din natin yung account, no? Pero kung aangich-angich tayo, like in the home tab videos, nahirapan talaga ako na paano ko ito i-remove lahat. But later on, I found out, search lang ako ng search, and then natanggal ko lahat yung NBA. Magaling din sila kasi sa home videos nilagay nila puro NBA. Kasi kahit na ibalik na sa akin yung channel ko, still may manonood pa rin sa NBA nila. But I don't know why they have to do that. They have 24.2 million followers already, but they still have to hack. I don't know who owns that account, but basically it was based in the US. So yun yung pinagdaanan natin, yun yung totoong nangyari. Don't blame it to anyone. It's mahirap kasi na magbintang tayo ng hindi natin alam. So sometimes it's better na alam niyo yun, na kalma lang tayo. Na huwag natin i-blame sa ibang tao yung mga bagay na hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung punot dulo. So, if that ever happens to you, yun po yung steps na tinake ko, and then so grateful because there are people around me. I'm surrounded with people whom I can ask also, and whom I can seek professional help, professional advice din po. Pero from the beginning po talaga, as in, wala talagang bahid ng kaba, walang bahid ng anger, kahit po talaga konti. Sinasabi ko pa ulit-ulit ako, pero siguro it's part of maturity, And it's part of growing up in faith na rin po na talagang wala. Normally kasi ako, pag mga ganyan na, I will be stressed out, maiinis ako, si Robert ang pagbubuntungan ko. Siyempre, walang iba. Si Robert lang talaga yan ang mapapagbuntungan ko ng hininga. Siyempre, siya ang karamay ko. But I was grateful. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sabi ko lang talaga sa kanya na, Lord, if this is your will, thy will be done. Alam nyo, naging emotional na lang ako nung na-recover na lahat. Then I was there in front of the altar with Robert. We were praying, we were thanking God na alam ko naman, ibabalik niya. Alam ko naman, no evil can win him. So, yun, doon na po ako naluha. Doon na po ako naiyak. Kasi, sabi ko nga doon kay YouTube, meron pa palang isang hindi na re-resolve. It was my AdSense billing account. So, most likely, I won't be able to receive my salary this month kasi close yung aking billing. Close yung aking parang bank account na nakalink doon. So, I won't be able to receive any payment this month or baka hanggang next month kasi it will take a couple of days, like 21 days. Once you close your account, you have to wait 21 days after na ma-open mo. But you can still make an appeal. And I am waiting for that decision dun sa appeal ko na yun. Kasi I was telling them that it is not in my will and you have confirmed that my account has been hijacked. My account has been hacked. And you have confirmed that to me, which means that it is not in my will that my account or the billing account will be closed. So it's not fair for me to wait for 21 days to reopen my account or to to retrieve the payment details. Kasi sinabi ko talaga to, I promise, because the bills that I have to pay cannot wait for 21 days. So I hope that you can resolve the issue. So, yun po talaga. And then they came back to me saying that they will made another investigation and they will come back to me. Hopefully, it will be resolved. They haven't come back to me yet with anything, but I am hoping. So, yun. Masasabi ko lang that all of this, what happened to us, is a lesson learned to be patient, and then yung matuto kang makontento kung anong meron ka, huwag kang maghangad ng sobra, and just stay calm and trust everything in God, and then do not worry for tomorrow kasi tomorrow will come itself. Tomorrow will make a way for itself, and then trust your instincts, and then don't blame anyone. Like for me, I cannot blame anyone. I'm old enough. So, yun. I really stayed so positive. Talagang inaamin ko, nalungkot lang ako. I was thinking about I have bills to pay for the next month. Paano gagawin? But sabi ko, alam ko magiging okay ang lahat. Anyway, mahaba-haba na yung ating cheka, day. Ito aking anak is, hi, say bruha. Bella, bruha. Say ambut, oy. Say ambut. Asa man kumado, day? Where are you going lang? Ayan mga day, mag-walking ang pamilya ko riis. Bella, what are you doing outside? Huh? What are you doing outside? Outside. What are you doing outside? Ha? Nagunsa man ka outside? Si bruha sabi, show the beshi. Bruha ha ha ha. Oh, Bella say bruha ha ha. Bella, dali. Ayaw ni. Maaw chika ni. We will go there walking, go biking. Huh? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes, po.
I love you po.
Yeah, po.
Say bruha ha ha ha. Like this. Bruha ha ha ha. Ambut oy. Say ambut oy. Ay, nakakatuwa lang. So, yun lang mga Jai. Yun are the steps to follow. And then, tawag nito, marami kaming natutunan. And then, yun, ano pa nga bang, ibang maipapayo ko sa inyo? Yun, what happened? What happened, man? There's a bee? What did you see there? What was it? Huh? Ba't bigla kang tumili? Ano meron dun? Show me? Show mommy. Show ni mami. Ano sa kanang nadiri? What was it? You see something? Ito. Bee? Was it a bee? Duwag ka naman eh. Para kang si Kuya Miggy eh. Tili agad eh. May tignan ko nga yung aking mga bulaklak dyan. Wala man akong yung chinelas. Tignan natin. Kung sa manida din. Nalaglag man to. Ano dito? Yung extension. May doon man yung nakasabit. Huh? Oh, come here. Tingnan natin to ating mga pananim dito. Ay, malaki na yung aking zucchini. Yan o. Malaki na siya mga jay. Ito yung aking okra. Dumilaw yung isang okra. Pero sana naman tumuloy yan. Huh? It's bee. Okay. Ayan. Ito yung ating dito. Oh. Ating mga babay daddy, gulay-gulay dito. Yung ating pechay. Yung iba, hindi man tumubo. Yung ibang pechay, mga tay. Ay, nabuhay talaga yung aking tumaas man. So, ibig sabihin, nabuhay siya. Yung aking tanglad. Ay, sana na lang talaga, mga tay. Magsana all na lang tanito. Ito, mukhang, pa to? Next season pa to. Bubuhay yung mga nandito. Ayan na naman yung mga na to. Ugat-ugat na to. Nakakainis talaga siya, mga tay. Yan. Hopefully, maging okay na to. Wala, ni kubul gyud ang mga fionis. Pero sige lang. Ito, pwede ko na tong putulin tong mga nitong tawag nito. Tulips natin. Ang ganda nung Ang ganda nung bulaklak nito talaga. Mas nag-dark siya nung tanim siya sa lupa. Yes. Why? No, we will go there. Ito, tatanggalin ko na naman tong mga to. Ito kasi ayoko na kasing tumubo to siya dito, mga zay. Kailangan to na tanggalin. Ha? Don't say stop it. Why you stop it?
Flowers.
Huh? Flowers. Bella, Altea, Bilyesa. Huh? More flowers? Where's the flowers, man? Flowers? Bidan susa si Bella, Bi? Mudan susa si Bella? Ponytail. Ponytail. Ponytail ikaw? Ponytail. Shake it off. Shake. Shake your bum. Shake it off. Shake it off. Ponytail. Wala na. Ki-air ba dahil batanan ni? Ito ba? Pagtatanggalin ko to kay para hindi na to tumubo talaga siya, mga sige. Sorry. Pag medyo lumaki na kasi to, anong tawag nito? Hindi maganit na ba siya tanggalin? Yan. Itong habang ganito pa lang, pagtatanggalin na natin. Yan kasi. Diara. Ayan. Hindi ko talaga siya gusto dito. Ayan kung bakit ito yung tanim na nilagay nila. Sana yung mga namumulaklak, sana yung nilagay nila dito, mga zay. Ha? Where? What's that? Unsa man na di ay? Ha? Anong nakita mo dyan? Bakit what's that? Ang ganda ng huni ng mga ibon, mga zay. Asa na kaya yung asawa ko? Nag-aaya man yung asawa ko na maglakad-lakad. Si Miggy ayaw sumama, pero ayun, sasama na daw siya. Mommy, go outside. Go inside? No. I want to stay here. I want to do this one. Kung dito na lang kaya tayo, daddy. Na lang tayo dito. Maglinis ng bakura. Hindi kasi kahapon, hindi kami lumabas. Anong tawag nito? Ilang araw na, nandyan lang sa bahay. Kaya sabi namin, labas sana kami. Dapat mag-camping kami kahapon. Hindi natuloy kasi malamig kagabi. Ayan. Basically, yan ang ating weekend for today's video, mga zay. So, sana may na-share ako sa inyo. Sana may napulot kayo na aral. Kasi ako, lesson learned talaga sa amin, mga zay. Yung nangyari. May napulot din po talaga kami na malaking aral on what had happened. So, let's stay positive lang po sa ating buhay. Medyo na-stress ng slight lang naman. Konti lang naman na-stress. Yung pinaka-ano lang naman dun is yung bangko ko na kailangan kong puntahan pa doon. Pero everything will be all right in time talaga. Talagang si Lord na ang gumawa rin ng paraan talaga sa lahat. And naniniwala talaga ako kung maraming nagdadasal sa kabutihan mo. Talagang wala talagang kasamaan na mananaig. Pero no, come to think of it, sabi ko nga baka kasi mas kailangan niya. Kaya tawag nito. Stop it in the flowers. Oh, ano yan? Ano yan, Inday? Ha? Oh, jump, jump, jump. Jumping, 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 jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Now you know. Huh? Let's go na. Ito nga, gusto kong tanggalan to dito pa ng ito mga day. Kasi masyadong malago. Yung mga pumupunta dito ba, tinatanggal ko. Ay, mamaya, guntingin ko yan mamaya mga day. Oh, what's that? Dito na naman. Hala, bakit ito ganito? Ba't may sunog ito dito?
Mami, gimme.
Gimme. Ano nga natin ito? Ba't masunog ito? Saan kaya? Dito. Ito yung inano pala ni Mel. Pinatong dito nung nag-ihaw. Naubusan kasi kami ng gas. Patatas. May hinahanap. Kasi ako dito sa... ayun yung zucchini. Nabuhay naman siya dyan. Yung dito. Asan ba? Hindi talaga tumubo yung upo dito mga day. Wala na talaga yun. Oy! Careful lang ga. Careful lang nak. Huh? Oh no, you're dirty na. What happened? Come, let's go inside, dali. Huh? What you will do with that?
So, Daddy?
Show daddy? Show na daw kay daddy yung tree niya na. Mami, tree. Show daddy. Daddy, may show daw siya sa'yo. Huh? Miggy, look. Tree daw. It's a tree? What's that? It's a... leaf. It's a leaves, not a tree. Huh? You have already this one, water and everything. Oh, here's your bag now. Bring your bag. So you will go na. You will go kiki.
Kiki.
Huh? What's it?
Big one.
Oh, it's heavy. This is your bag. You will go
Three.
kiki.
The kid.
Sige na. Wait lang ha. Ano sa mo itong dinala ng daddy sa'yo? Galing man to sa washing machine. Yung daddy mo talaga. Come here. No hitting, Bella. Come here, Inday. Let's close your bag. Come. Close, Bella, bag. Come here. Come kay mama, dali. Come, mommy. You are our... Bro.
We.
You're our princess. Yes.
We.
Kuya, hold lang this one, Kuya. Kaya it's quite heavy for her to bring the Kuya. The water inside the bag. I don't want it. Yung likod niya. You just bring it like that. Buti nga sumama na tong isa. Ayaw man sanang sumama niyan. Ano kayang bulaklak talaga nitong na to? Yung pinagtatanim ko dyan. Na-excite naman ako dyan Itong parang mga tawag nito. Hold. Ooh. You dance with Kuya Miggy. Careful, Miggy. Bella, hawak ko ang beat. Dance, hawak ang beat. Bella, hawak ko ang beat.
Gimme.
Oh, here you go. Come, I will fix your muna, pants. Come, mommy fix it. Oh, sayaw ra ba yun? Oh. Wow. Hawak ko ang beat.
Mommy, hold that.
Hold that? Okay, hawak ang beat. Hawak ko ang beat. You dance. Huh? Bella, you know how to dance? Bella. Bellaling, like this, Bellaling. Bellaling, look at this. Bella, here. Look at this, like this. Hawak ko ang beat. Oh, you dance with this one. Sige na. Dali na, Inday. Itong batang to. Big girl na talaga, Day. Not bicycle, scooter. Scooter. Wow. Oh, don't go there. Don't go there in my flowers. Not good.
The proper way to scooter is like this.
Oh, look at Kuya. Follow Kuya.
Not like this.
See?
Okay.
Oh, sige daw, be. Oh, follow mo si Kuya, be. How do you do it? Show mommy how you do it. How? Wow, like this. Like that? Oh, show mommy, paano? Oh, show to Kuya Miggy how to do it properly. Like that? Wow, off, break.
The brake is
Okay.
here.
The brake is at the back.
Everyone uses their shoes.
Yes, like that. So you can stop. Nagyuday, malaki ka na talaga. Come here, dali. Bella.
Oh, jacket.
Ay, you want jacket? No, for jacket. Only this one hat only, okay? Yan. Oh, meron ako. Dali na. Mag-walking lang tayo. Ang gwapo-gwapo naman ang mag-walking na yan. Nasa akin na nga yung susi, nakatatlong tanong ka na. Isa pa. Tignan mo to, pumupurma na. Nangunguha na ng mga accessories doon sa kwarto ko. Ito daw, sa kanya na. Ha? Bagay naman sa kanya. Where's your hat?
Put your jungjang. Hindi, may jungjang siya.
Jungja. Oo mga day, nagbibinata na. Laging pumupurma. Kaya sabi niya, who will you impress? Impress your crush. Impress niya daw yung crush niya mga day.
Mommy, go
Yes.
swimming.
Go swimming? You ask daddy. Tell daddy you want to go swimming. Go. Daddy, itong isa mong anak mo, go swimming daw siya. Ay, naku, itong batang Etsay. Saan tayo pupunta? Dali na. Wow, Kuya Miggy, ito pogi, Kuya Miggy. Is it Kuya Miggy pogi? Diyos! Ano ba yan, Miggy? Wala, yun. Binata, yun. Look daw, daddy. No, throw that one away, Inday. That's dangerous. Give to mommy, day. You throw there in the forest. Dali, i-throw na dito sa forest. Sige na, throw in the forest. Si Kuya Miggy, kinuha niya pa yung kanyang scooter. Oh, tino mo naman na doon. Ha? Where is the Bella? I spy, my little eye, something Bella. What's that? It's a muddy puddles. Kuya Miggy there? I can hear Kuya Miggy there. Ito, i-subscribe nyo naman to. Ipopromote ko tong asawa ko na to. Boss, ano na boss? Ha? Kunti na lang para.
Binago ng pangalan ko.
Oo, binago ko na.
Robert Nation.
Boss Robert Nation na
Pero sa
naman.
ngayon, Belaling.
So ngayon, ano pa yun ngayon? Inday Cariabella pa yun ngayon.
Dapat in the
Hindi na naman yung
puddle.
bakit niya.
In the puddle daw. Huh? If you play in the muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Uy.
Ano kasi ano? Si
Peppa Pig. Nagaya niya.
Marunong na ito eh.
Kulit ito eh.
Look, it's up.
Tingnan kami na. Sasabi na naman yan, Daddy, what are you doing? Where are you going? Dali na.
Oh, wait.
Uy. Okay, ay rabag yun. Kikembot-kembot ka pa dyan. Ha? Let's go to the car na. Let's go scooter park. Daanan nyo kami dito, Dad. Dali na. Bella. Let's go na. Dali na. Bella, where are you going? Bye. Bye. Bye, Bella. Bye. I'm going. Bye. Bahala ka dyan. Bye. Hindi talaga natatakot tong babaitang to. Ay! Bruha! Bella! Bruha! Ha, ha, ha. Bella! Yun. Susundan mo talaga. Talo ka talaga. Ikaw, siya man ang masusunod. Hindi man ako masusunod, siya man. Kaya siya man ang big boss namin. Maganda yung ano dyan ni Lolo. Oh. Gusto ko yan. Oh. Nag-iisa lang yung nakatira dyan. Laki ng bahay niya. Ang ganda nung kanyang ano. Halaman. Wait, come here. Mami ka dyan. Bella, you want palo? No palo. You want bukiki?
No, but
No bukiki. You want bruha?
okay.
Okay, bruha? Bruha, ha, ha, ha. Mommy will fix your bag lang, Gabi.
You go,
Huh? What's that? Go there in the forest?
go in your place.
What you will do in the forest? Look for dinosaur?
Okay.
Oh, okay. No, Daddy will come. We go in the car. Huh? Scary. Scary dog. Oh, Lika!
Woof, woof. Woof, woof.
Oh, what the dog say?
Woof, woof.
Like that? And the dog tongue. Show your tongue. Walk like a dog. Walk like a dog.
Woof, woof.
Huh?
Woof, woof.
Huh? Woof woof ng dog. Let's go na kasi Daddy waiting. Daddy is there. Come. Let's go. Daddy there waiting.
Daddy.
Come here. Let's go.
Daddy.
Hi, doggy. Yeah?
Where's he go?
Yeah, you're scared.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye to doggy. Bye, doggy. Doggy is going to the forest. And you are going there. Dali na, let's go to daddy na. Because daddy is waiting. Here you go. Munsa man to doggy. Woof, woof. Woof, woof like a doggy sa. Ay, hindi mo bila. Kuha pala ako ng mga zay. Babaunin. Wala kaming baon. Baon namin ng kanin. Kay, pwede to. Pakainin yung mga bata. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Ang aga pa kasi. Sabi ko kay Robert, magbaon na lang kami ng kanin. Tapos, kahit na bumili na lang kami ng ulam. Kaya doon sa, supermarket, pwede kami may mga lutong ulaman din na binibenta doon. Pwede kang bumili ng lechon manok, ganyan. So, bili na lang kami ng lutong ulam doon. Tagwa 1 euro man mga zay, yung isang buong ng manok. Legs ba? Parting na mo to, hindi na naman pinatay yung electric pan. Ay, buti na lang, bumalik ako. Wala, ikaw talaga mag-check lagi lahat. And then, kunin natin yung bahaw. Ang tanong, may bahaw ba? Mag-ano lang kami, kamay lang kami. Meron kaming gloves doon. Gloves lang ang aming gagamitin. Ito, may bahaw ka mga dyan. For the bahaw tayo. Huy, nga nagong dili. Yes, yes, yes. Magbabahaw-bahaw tayo mga dyan. Ito yung aming, ito na lang ang dadalhin ko. Yan, para... Ito na rin yung plato namin. Pero I think meron akong paper plate din doon. Pero ito na lang ang dadali natin. Para in case. Ito yung plato ni Robert, ni Miggy, at sa amin ni Bella. So, nalagyan ko na kanin yan. Tagi-isa kami tatlo. At kay sa amin ni Bella. Ako na bahala kay Bella mga. Di ara mga say. Gusto nyo, prituhan ko pa to ng itlog. Magprito na naman ng itlog. Yan. Kay para pag nagutom, may machichicha. Hindi yung bili ng bili mga zay. Dali ha. Ayan, i-ano natin to dito. Lalagay. Parang madami naman to masyado. Ayan. Okay. Tapos lalagyan ko tagi-isang manok. Bili ako ng 3 legs ng manok doon. Oh, goods na kaayo. Okay. Miggy. And kay Robert. Oh, sige, magkalaglag mga zay. And then, sa amin ni Bella Ling. Diba? Goods na kaayo ni mga jay. May baon na ang pamilya Kuriis. May stop lang kami somewhere. Kakain kami doon somewhere. Para hindi na tayo makagastos. Kung McDonald's ka pa ba nito? May kanin ka na. Pag may bahaw, solve ang problema pag may bahaw. Because bahaw is the key. Bahaw is life. Eto, ano pa bang dadalhin natin? Parang dadalhin ko ata yung may maliit ako na dito ba? Tak-tak. Tak-tagap-tak. Nandun pala sa sasakyan. Kaya okay na to. And then mag-ano lang kami. Gloves na lang kami. Parang kumain. And then, here you go. Here you go. Oh. Okay na ang all. And then, let's go. Ewan ko lang kung napasakay niya si Bella sa sasakyan. Kaya ang kulit. Hala, medyo pa naman So, mampud ning umaambon. Mampud mga jay. Mampud klaro ning ambon-ambon. Pero yun, maghanap lang kami ng lugar na mapagtatambayan namin mga tay. Para lang talaga makapag kami, unwind kami. Ay, sabi ko na nga ba. Akala ko nandun na yan sa upuan niya.
Mommy.
Hi, Bella.
Hi.
Wow, you're driving? Bella drive? Makalook drive ka pa dyan ha. Ano ko na to.
Baby.
Dito na to sa likod. Ayan. Or pwede rin tayo dun sa CRV, Dad. Okay. Ano man, Dad? Parang umuulan din. Unsa man yung may klaro. Uy, sige na. Eto na nga mga jay. Bumalik pa ako kay kumuha pa ng tubig. Hindi pwedeng wala tayong panulak nito. Madunlan tayo nito kasi bahaw yung aking dala. So at least meron din tayo na tubig. So yun. Abangan nyo na lang bukas kung saan pupunta ang pamilya Kuriis Kuratsa. We will have a family day for today's video. Thank you everyone for the love. Thank you so much for the support. This is always your Inday Karyatay finish dahil Thailander po aking nanay at finish po ang aking tatay. Ako po ay proud Pinay.